Welcome back, everyone, to another episode of Cooking with JJ. If you tuned in last week, you saw that I made a curry potato salad to go along with our jackfruit vegan wings. So in this week's episode, I'm going to share with you how to make that simple recipe. I'm really excited to get started and, of course, enjoyed in the end. So without further ado, let's head over to the kitchen and get cooking!
First of all, we're boiling 9 baby potatoes, and this should take about 15 minutes. Just test them out with a fork. Slice up some celery. And I'll use about a 1/4 cup's worth. Now I'm grating a 1/4 cup's worth of carrot. I'm slicing some zucchini into half moons, and I'll be using a 1/2 cup's worth. Slice your cooled baby potatoes in half. Slice up some cilantro, and we'll use a 1/4 cup's worth. Here we have a big bowl with our main ingredients. We have our dressing ingredients here: a 1/3 cup of vegan mayo, 1 teaspoon of maple Dijon, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, and 1 teaspoon of curry powder. And don't forget your salt and pepper. Now we're mixing our main ingredients with our dressing. Mix it all up thoroughly. Be sure to give it a taste test and adjust it to your liking. I'm adding a little bit of Himalayan pink salt and freshly ground black pepper.
It's that time again, everyone. It's time to enjoy our curry potato salad. It certainly is a nice way to mix things up. A nice curry spice, a little bit of sweetness in the mix, perfect seasoning level. A little bit of a crunch with our celery, our freshly shredded carrots. So there you have it, everyone, another kosher for Passover meal, a simple recipe to add to your recipe booklets. And remember, if you like this video in any way, shape, or form, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that little bell notification icon so you don't miss a single video. There's going to be a new video popping up every Monday at 12 noon Eastern, so you don't want to miss it. Until next time, this is JJ signing off, keeping things interesting in my kitchen and in yours. Bon appetit.